Good day, everyone. I hope you're all ready and excited to learn today. Hi, I am Teacher Love and I'll be your English teacher for today. We are going to learn English in a fun and easy way. Are you ready? That's great. Alright, class, before we start our lesson, let's have a quick activity. Let's observe the first picture. What is Dad doing? Yes, Dad is working. Very good. Now, let's look at the second picture. What are the boy and the girl doing? That's right. They are studying. Let's look at the third picture. Let's pretend this is you. What are you doing? Yes, I am singing. Excellent. Wow, you all did a great job. Now, let's think about the sentences. What words did we use? Yes, we use am, is, and are. These are very important words in English. And today, we will learn how to use them correctly. At the end of our lesson, we should be able to identify am, is, and are, and use them correctly in sentences. Remember our keywords, am, is, and are. Very good. Am, is, and are linking verbs. Linking verbs are used to connect words in a sentence. Let's begin with is. Is used with singular nouns and pronouns like he, she, and it. Again, he, she, and it. Singular means only one. Singular means only one. Remember that. Here are the following examples to better understand the use of is in a sentence. The first sentence, can you read it, Marie? Daddy is working. Again? Very good. The next sentence, yes, John. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. The third sentence, Mark. Very good. He is dancing. He is dancing. Next, the next sentence, please, Mark. It is beautiful. Very good. It is beautiful. Now, let's move to are. Are is used with plural nouns or pronouns like you, we, and they. Again, you, we, and they. Very good. Plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. Let's have the following sentences. Anna and Elsa are playing. Anna and Elsa are playing. Very good. The next one. They are studying. They are studying. Very good. And the next one, James. You are my friend. You are my friend. Excellent, James. Now, let's go to am. Again, am. We use am with pronoun I. We use am with pronoun I. Let's try these following sentences. I am beautiful. Yes, Angela? Let's read it again. I am beautiful. Very good. How about the next one, David? I am in the school. Correct. Another one? I am in the school. Very good. Let's have the next sentence. I am singing. Yes, Sophia? I am singing. Excellent, Sophia. Wow, you did amazing. Now that we understand is, am, and are, let's try to use them in a sentence. Are you ready? It's game time. Alright, before we begin, here are the mechanics of our game. I will show you a sentence with a block, and you will choose the correct answer from am, is, or are. Once you know the answer, raise your hand or say your answer. And then, wait for my signal before answering. Are we clear? If that's clear, let's go over with our sentences. Are you ready? That's great. Let's have the first sentence. Yes, Marie. The girl blank is cooking. What should be the answer? Is, am, or are? Correct. The girl is cooking. How about the next sentence? I blank cleaning today. Is or are? Is or are? Correct. The right answer is I am cleaning today. Very good, David. The last one. You blank amazing. You blank amazing. Very good, Mark. The right answer is are. You are amazing. Great job, everyone. You did very well. And now for your individual activity, here's a sentence construction activity. This is how you do it. Create your own sentences using the patterns below. Think carefully about the correct use of am, is, and are. After writing your sentences, be ready to read them aloud in front of the class. Reminder, use complete and meaningful sentences. Okay? Great, you did really well. And now it's quiz time. Complete each sentence by choosing the correct linking verb am, is, or are. Write your answers clearly and be ready to explain your answers after completing the activity. Tip: think about the subject he, we, and I before choosing the correct verb. If you're ready, let's begin. Do you have any questions before we end? If there is none, in our next lesson, we will learn about the verb tenses. So for your homework, study about the verb tenses, past, present, and future tenses. Thank you for listening and participating. I am Teacher Love, and see you next time. Learn English in an easy way. Goodbye!